Right, in this short video we're going to look at how to add an attachment to a posting. So again, we're looking at template 4, and as we scroll down the page you'll see at the very bottom a login link. Now I've already clicked on that login link and logged in. You can tell that because at the very top here we've got an edit page and a new post media page project user menu. Once you actually clicked login for the first time and you've logged in, then you will normally see the dashboard, which we will go to in a minute. But once you are logged in, if you want to still look at your website and then quickly add something else, then clicking on the new and post option is the quickest way in. But I will go to the dashboard because this is where you will appear after you've immediately logged in. Right. We're going to go to the Posts menu and Add New, and I'm going to put the word Newsletter. Obviously you might want to put spring term or whatever it is. You might want to give it a bit more of a identity than just the word newsletter, and I'll put that in just as an example. And I'm going to put click on the link below to view our newsletter and hit return, and that means that our newsletter link is going to appear where the flashing cursor is. Now I personally like to add in an icon to go in front of any kind of link. It just helps the website viewer know that there is a clickable item there. So with my cursor below, if I click on Add Media and in the search area I just type the word icon, then it sifts out everything that's in my media library and I can see a PDF icon just here. So if I click on that, then if I click on Insert into Post, there goes my icon now. Now if I click on this icon, so it's selected, you'll notice it's got an actual link attached to it, and that link is linked to the actual image, the PNG image itself. And we don't want this to be a clickable link, because if we leave this as a clickable link on the actual web page, people can click on it and it will simply show them a picture of the icon itself, and we don't want that. So we're going to take off, I'm going to put remove link. Now that will be just a static image. If I do a single space bar, I can now go and pick up the newsletter which I've got on my desktop, and the actual name of the file will appear here as a link to that file. So go to Add Media, go to Upload Files, click Select Files, and if I click on my desktop, it's gone to a folder called Photos Out because I was uploading photos as the last thing that I was doing to the media center. So it always remembers the previous place that you've been to. So I'm going to click on Desktop, and I've got a newsletter just there, and I'm going to click Open, and its title is Newsletter, and it has a link to itself as an actual file. I just want to click on Insert into Post, and here is my newsletter. Now if I wanted to, I could change this name, so I could put Newsletter Spring Term 2015, and you'll notice the actual link continues if you've clicked inside the actual wording itself. Now if I click once into here, that selects all of this link, because I want to do one thing on it. I want to go to the link itself. I don't want to take off the link obviously, but I want to slightly alter the link. So if I click on Insert Edit Link button, I want to put Open Link in a new window or a tab, and then click Update. And that means that when the website viewer clicks on this link, it won't take over the whole web page and take them away from your website. It will open up the new newsletter in a new tab or a new pop-up window page where they can read the newsletter, close the window or the tab down, and they don't have to click the back button therefore to get back onto your website. Now most importantly, I'm going to click on the general blog link, and I'm going to click on the newsletters link. and then I'm going to click on Publish. And that means that in the general blog area and in the newsletters area, this document will appear. So I'm going to click Publish. And that has now been added to my website. You can tell that because the Publish has turned to an update button. If I wanted to change any of the text in here, or even change the actual link, I could highlight it and change the link, etc., and then click the update rather than Publish. Now, if I go back to the website and scroll down the page, you can see Newsletter Spring Term 2015. Click on the link below to view our newsletter. So I'm going to click. I can't click on that. I've taken the actual link off, so that's a nice static image. If I click on this, you'll see up here a new tab will open. Here we go. Opens up the newsletter. And I don't need to click on the back button to actually get back to anywhere. I just simply need to close that down and I am back at the website. Again, if I go to the news and newsletters, and you can see on the newsletters page, here's the newsletter Spring Term 2015 that we've just added. Again, if I click on that, there it is. It's the same newsletter. Now, if I wanted to add something else, because I've already logged in, I don't have to go to the dashboard. I can go to New and Post and add in a new post with a new attachment if I want to. If I wanted to delete this post that I've just added, then I go to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, I go to Posts and All Posts. And there's the Spring Term Newsletter 2015. And I simply click on the trash, and that now has deleted that posting. So if I go back to the site and I scroll down the page, you can see it's gone back to a posting about fun at playtime. Okay, and that's how to add a post with an attachment into your website.